dear students, welcome to your YouTube class. Today we are going to take our very first chapter from economics. And what is the name of the chapter? Can you guess? Okay, I am giving you hint. Tell me. What is this? What is this? It is a kacha house. Okay. It is tree. Then here are birds and river. All this picture, what is showing? ये क्या बता रहा है? What is showing? The picture of village. किसकी पिक्चर बता रहा है? The picture of village. So what is the name of chapter? The story of village Palampur. The first chapter is the story of village Palampur. Okay, it is very interesting story, but the main concept of this chapter is to understand the factors of the production. So through this chapter we will study about the factors of the production. So village Palampur is a very well connected area. It is very developed village. So you want to something produce, that time you need a resource, and resource are so many types: natural resource, human resource and man-made resource. So the farming is the main occupation in a village Palampur. But rather than so many occupation are there, just like small manufacturing, dairies, transport, all these facilities are available in Palampur. तो हमने पहले देखा कि पालमपुर इज अ वेल कनेक्टेड एरिया. रोड फैसिलिटीज आर देयर एंड सो मेनी व्हीकल्स रन ऑन दैट रोड्स, जस्ट लाइक मोटरसाइकिल, टांगास, बुगीज, एंड देन दैट बुलक कार्ट्स कैरी अ जैगरी मींस गुड़ लेकर जा रहे हैं. तो जो पालमपुर है, फ्रॉम पालमपुर 3 किलोमीटर अवे, फ्रॉम पालमपुर 3 किलोमीटर, हियर इज अ Raiganj. It is a big village. Raiganj क्या है? Big village है. और रायगंज से कुछ दूरी पर आपको मिलेगा शाहपुर. It is a small town. Means यहाँ पे small town means यहाँ पे क्या है कि बहुत अच्छा वेल कनेक्टेड रोड होने की वजह से पालमपुर से जो भी मैन्युफैक्चर करके उसे रायगंज ले जाया जाता है बिग विलेज में. देन आफ्टर दैट दे विल कैरी देयर प्रोडक्शन इन द शाहपुर. इट इज अ स्मॉल टाउन. तो इट इज अ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द विलेज पालमपुर. ओके, विलेज पालमपुर के बारे में ये क्या है? इंट्रोडक्शंस है. देन इन विलेज पालमपुर देयर आर 450 families are there. How many families are there? 450. 450 families. Families are living in a village Palampur. Among them, the 80% people belong to higher caste. Higher caste. जो 80% people है किससे बिलोंग करते थे? Higher caste. And 1/3% belong to lower caste. Just like a SCs, जिसे हम क्या कहा जाता कहते हैं? दलित. So idea clear है? How many families are there in Palampur? 450 families are in Palampur, and among them 80% belong to higher caste and 1/3% belong to lower caste, just like the SCs. And then the 80% people who belong to higher caste, made by cement and bricks, and the 1/3% lower caste houses made by straw and mud, and they use the distant place of higher caste. हायर कास्ट के से वो कुछ दूरी पे डिस्टेंट प्लेस था इनका लोअर कास्ट के लोगों का. मीन्स हमें यहाँ पे पालमपुर विल सी द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑल्सो. हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे कैसा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है. ओके, देन अभी जस्ट हमने देखा था कि इट इज अ वेरी वेल कनेक्टेड विलेज, डेवलप्ड विलेज, सो द इलेक्ट्रिक facility are here, and through that electric facilities the field labor use the tube wells for the irrigation. irrigation के लिए उन्होंने किसका यूज किए हैं? ट्यूब वेल्स का यूज किए हैं. and then here is the two primary schools. यहाँ पे क्या है? two primary school है and one high schools है. कहाँ पे? विलेज पालमपुर में. one private dispensaries है, one health centers है, and that health centers run by the government. किसके थ्रू रन करता है? गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू. तो लेट अस सी ऑल द इंट्रोडक्शन. फिर से हम देख लेते हैं पूरा इंट्रोडक्शन के. विलेज पालमपुर इज अ वेल कनेक्टेड विलेज and from 3 kilometers away there is the Raiganj, a big village, and then Shahapur is a small town is there. Then the transport facilities is very well in a Palanpur, and electric facility also is there. Two primary schools are there, one high schools are there, one private dispensaries are there, and health centers also there. Means all these things are very well developed in village Palanpur. So can you imagine that this village are this type of village that is surrounding in your area? मीन्स वैसा विलेज जो आपके सराउंडिंग में आपको देखने को मिल सकता है. तो इस टाइप के विलेज की आप इमेज कर सकते हो क्या? अगर आप इमेज कर सकते हो तो प्लीज यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस टाइप ऑफ विलेज इन योर notebook and make a notes on it. Okay, so let us start our first subtopic from this chapter, and that is the organization of factors. What is the organization of factors? It is our first subtopic. Organization of factors. For the production, fourth requirement is very necessary. What are these? These are the land, labor, physical capital, skill and knowledge. All these things are very important for the production, which is land, labor, physical capital and skill and knowledge. We can say human capital. हम इसे क्या कह सकते हैं? Human capital. Okay. Land, labor, physical capital and skill and knowledge means human capital is very important in the organization of factors. So you know very well about the land. Okay, you can't do without the land. If you want to establish industries, or if you want to do something work, any work just like a field work or any type of work, that time you need a land. So you know very well about the land. Then second one is labor. Labor is very important factors. लेबर जो है, लेबर भी कैसे हमारे important factors है. लेबर में स्किल लेबर एंड नॉलेजेबल लेबर इज one type of labor, literate labor, illiterate labor. All labors are very necessary for the organization of factors. Organization of factors में आपको इसकी भी बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है, किसकी? लेबर की. Then the physical capital. What about the physical capital? Physical capital के लिए आप क्या कहोगे? What is the physical capital? It is divided into two parts. फिजिकल कैपिटल को हमने किस में डिवाइड किया है? टू पार्ट में. वन इज फिक्स्ड कैपिटल एंड अनदर इज वर्किंग ओके, तो व्हाट इज द फिक्स कैपिटल? फिक्स कैपिटल किसे कहा जाता है? यूज ऑफ मेनी ईयर। हम क्या करते हैं इसका यूज ऑफ मेनी ईयर, मीन्स हम बहुत सालों तक के उसका यूज करते हैं। जस्ट लाइक इंडस्ट्री हम हर साल हम इंडस्ट्री को चेंज नहीं कर सकते। हम हर साल क्या करते हैं उसका प्रॉपरली ये उसी इंडस्ट्री में हम प्रोडक्शन लेते हैं। जस्ट लाइक अ मशीन, टूल, जनरेटर, कंप्यूटर, टर्बाइन्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर अ फिक्स कैपिटल। वी कांट चेंज पर ईयर और एवरी ईयर, हम उसे हर साल चेंज नहीं कर सकते। वो कैपिटल को कहा जाता है फिक्स कैपिटल। दैट कैपिटल विच इज फिक्स, we can say that is a fixed capital. Then the working capital, raw material and money. Raw material and money. जो रॉ मटेरियल और मनी होता है वो क्या है? वर्किंग कैपिटल. इफ यू want to take a production, that time you need a money. If you have a money, you buy this money, you can buy a raw material, and after that raw material you can convert it into finished goods. So the working capital which is raw material and money, it is a working capital. So just like if you have if you want to take a production of a cloth, that time you need a cotton convert into thread convert into piece of cloths, and then that cloths make a one production. So it is called the working capital. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? वर्किंग कैपिटल. तो इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ फिजिकल कैपिटल. किसके पार्ट से? फिजिकल कैपिटल के पार्ट से. कि फिक्स कैपिटल, फिजिकल कैपिटल्स, इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरी, fixed capital and working capital, among which is the fixed capital use of many years. Just like example of fixed capital is generator, industry, turbines, computer, all these things are a fixed capital, and working capital, raw material money is a working capital. Got it? Then the last factor is a human capital or skill and knowledge. Skill and knowledge. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ह्यूमन कैपिटल. If you want to work with a land, labor, physical capital, but we haven't a human capital, so the production is not possible. So it is also very important skill and knowledge. If you have industry, but that time you need a knowledge how you will run that industry, that time you need a skill and knowledge, and it is important, and that is called human capital. So the organization of factors, there are four things is very important, that is a land, labor, physical capital, and one is human capital, and all these things when combined, that is called organization of factors. So here is the one definition. What is the organization of factor? Organization of factors किसे कहा जाता है? कि किसे कहा जाता है organization of factor? Every production is organized by combined land, labor, physical capital and human capital, are known as a organization of factor. So write down this definition. It is very important. What is the definition of organization of factor? What is every production is organized by combined land, labor, physical capital and known as organization of factor. Organization of factors. Got it? Every production is organized by combined land, labor, physical capital and human capital is known as organization of factors. In this way we have seen our first part. In that part we have covered our introduction as well as the organization of factors. But after our next video we will see it one by one. Land, labor, physical capital. We will study detail about it. Thank you very much.